Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Varia RearVue 820 keeps disconnecting from the Varia application on your smartphone. So first of all, try re-enabling Bluetooth on your device or simply enable the airplane mode in your control center. This way you will reset all the connections and then you'll be able to repair your device. Now, if this doesn't help you, you can turn off your radar and restart your smartphone. To turn off the radar, you have to hold down the power key for about 2 seconds, and to restart your smartphone, press power button and volume up key at the same time, then select restart. Or in case of iPhones, you're gonna have to first turn it off and then turn it back on again. Once your phone is restarted, make sure to turn on your Varia once again and let it repair with your smartphone. It may take a while for it to do that. Make sure that your Bluetooth connection is enabled and you'll be successfully reconnected. Now, if this doesn't help you, you can also just unpair your RearVue inside the Varia application by tapping the three-dot icon and selecting Remove Device option. Then go to Bluetooth settings, tap the gear icon next to your RearVue, and select Forget this device. Then repair it with your smartphone, turn it off, then power on your RearVue by holding down the power button until the LED indicator starts blinking purple, and then re-enter your Varia application. Tap Add Device, let it detect your radar, tap Connected, switch on this toggle, tap Pair, and if the issue is still reoccurring, you first can swipe down the settings on your device, open the main settings menu. Now here you can perform the network reset on your smartphone. To do that, usually you would have to go to System, then open Reset Options and reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And after performing Bluetooth and Wi-Fi reset, you're gonna have to repair your Varia once again. And this might resolve this issue in case your device's Bluetooth cache is full. But if it doesn't, after repair, you can tap on your RearVue right here, then tap the three-dot icon and select Delete Data and Reset Device. Then confirm. Then let's also remove this device from our Bluetooth connections. Let's return back to Varia. And now you'll see your LED blinking like this on your Varia device. You're gonna have to wait until it stops blinking, then it will most probably re-enable itself. But even if it doesn't, you can re-enable it manually and then repair it with your smartphone. So now let's wait until the reset operation is finished. Okay, now the radar is active again and the reset is seemingly finished. Now we can tap Add Device and let our smartphone redetect our radar and repair it with our smartphone. And after that, the issue should be resolved. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.